When you generally think about employee relationship management, you don't think about data. And that mostly has to do with you're like, oh, they're a good leader, they're a great leader, and we want to bring this level of transparency with data that we're no longer making feelings decisions with folks.
Yeah.
We're making data-driven decisions. And we're taking away the administrative work around those data-driven. Let great workers do great work. Get the data in front of people. We are a data-driven business. Manufacturers are data-driven companies. We align well. You add in the teamwork, and actually it says in our little sheet that's not on the web, our internal sheet, is that everyone's a leader. So that's the teamwork of, okay, I'm going to listen to everyone. It doesn't mean I have to do it, but I'm going to listen to them because there's something I can learn from everyone. And even your worst employee you can learn something from. And your best employee you better be learning from.